Hi, we are CoolKatzCraft.
I'm
Kay and
I'm
Maggie. So you've seen the pictures of us, so that's enough for anybody. What we're going to introduce, what we do, we're a craft company, and for the miniatures, we have developed an extensive range of dies to go through a die cutting machine. So this is a die, and it's a metal sheet with a raised sharp piece when you put it through the machine that will cut out to that shape. This is a different one, and that will cut out to those shapes. So it saves you using scissors to cut all these out, and they will do multiples in one pass of the machine.
It also replaces traditional punches.
Yeah,
paper punches.
So many of you might have done used a paper punch before now, which we find frustrating because they always jam. They also don't cut very thin paper. So if you wanted to use like tissue paper or rice paper to get really fine leaves and petals, you can't do that with a punch, but you can with these.
Of course you can.
So what you do need a die cutting machine, and this is an example of a die cutting machine. Okay, so open it up like that, and basically, as you can see, it's got a handle, and you wind the handle and plates go through it. It's basically like a mangle, and you get, so depending on your machine, you'll get cutting plates. So you got your plates together, and these are called a sandwich when they're all together. So this one is really scratched because I've used it lots. When yours will be clear when they turn up. So then what you do is you place your paper or your card on top of here. Our dies will also cut fabric, polycotton, thin corduroy. They will do thin leather.
Yeah, very thin leather strips.
Yeah, and they will also do thin foil as well. Thin metal as well.
Yeah.
You might need a metal shim. So a shim will be an extra piece that you put underneath there, which is metal. So they're quite easy to buy. So anyway, so that's going to cut these shapes out. So I'll put it face down. I'm not going to do it this time because I haven't got to take with me, but you could put a little bit of tape just to keep it in place. And then you put your plate on top. Okay, and then you just roll it through your machine. Oops.
So what paper are you cutting here, Kay?
I'm just cutting, I'm doing quite a good quality origami paper. So if you're doing, we've got an extensive range of dies. So we do many flower shapes and leaf shapes. We do boxes, we do cards with envelopes, crackers, suitcases, all sorts of things.
Cutlery,
yeah, some plates. So it depends on what you want to do. So if you're doing like flowers and leaves, you want a reasonably thin paper. So a rice paper, 75 GCSM for paper. Origami paper is great because it comes in lots of different colours. And as you can see, you get, when I put it through, you get a nice cut like that. So each individual one is cut exactly the same. And also what we do, most of our flower and or many of our flower and leaf dies will stay in until you chop them out.
Okay, we forgot to say one very important thing.
What's that?
What scale are these?
They've been designed to be between 1 and 12 and 1 and 24 scale. So right, so I'll just show you. So you can just snip these out. So if they're on the sheet like this, they're easy to colour. So then you just snip one out as you use it. So then you can use your flower, and you can shape it, colour it, and do what you want with it. That's this particular one is called smooth petal leaf, smooth petals. You can use them as leaves if you wanted to. You don't have to use them as petals. And you'll see that some of them have a tiny little piercing hole in there.
All those petals cut out in one pass.
Yeah.
On a flat piece of paper.
Yeah, you could probably even double it up.
You could cut multiples. Just store your flat papers instead of having all your little punch outs in a little box that you have to pick up once you punch them.
Yeah. So an ideal way of doing that is what I've done here. So I've just cut all these out, and then they're all most of them in strips, not all of them, but a lot of them in strips, and you just chip them, use them as you need to.